That boat was lost.
Or are we gonna try again?
Who's gonna crew?
I'll be back in a couple of days.
3 years Luke was on that boat. Different place back again.
See you soon, my darling.
Only one thing worse than being at sea.
Oh yeah?
Not being at sea. Don't worry. She always comes back.
Welcome home, boy. Good trip. Emily?
Can't you see what's going on?
She thinks you're someone else.
I am someone else. For now. We just go out there again, and when we come back, it'll all be back to normal. What's your real name?
'Tis lost in the wind.
Just want to get home.